Hello and welcome into the last video of branding from A to Z. Obviously, if you ended up in this video thanks to its title, we are going to build a Behance project from A to Z from our recent videos we have been doing or you've been watching. So there's 4 more videos before that one all about branding process and how I walk from A to Z while building a brand identity for a client. And in this last video, I am going to bring you into the Behance world and how I make my project, how I expose my portfolio on Behance. Behance is an Adobe platform that it's online. This is really cool. They also have an app. If you want to check it out, I will obviously put the link in the description box below. So I will bring you first into Notion, and then we will go into Adobe XD. This is where I actually put everything together and make sure everything is seamless. And then we will end up on Behance and download our project. All right, without further ado, let's go into my computer and let's open Notion. To start this and show you, here is my Behance profile and here is the project we are going to do together. We're going to, I'm going to show you the process of making this kind of project on Behance. So the first thing I do, obviously, is making a brand presentation overview of what I'm going to put into this presentation. So I've already made my into Notion. Here is Hygge, Coffe and Co page. So I'm going to click on it and here it says outline presentation template. So I'm going to click on it and here is all of I'm going to do before actually making the design of the project. So the first thing will be the introduction, so name of the brand, industry, and the timeline. So we started this in December 1st, I believe, so until now. Then we're going to go into the problem statement, so what's the issue you're fixing? We're gonna go back into our client brief, talking about a little bit of the background, mission statement, target audience, and our hypothesis, which is what is going to solve the problem. So thanks to our brand identity, what problem was solved in the company. And then we can also talk about the concept. So we are going to share our sketches, some pictures. We're also going to explain our design decisions. So what did we use the mug? What did we use the pie? Of course, we can share our color palettes as well as our typography system and obvious logo variation. We are going to enter all of this to show you a quick example. This is what I've done for my last project, Dog Play Dress Up. We got the background, problem statement, all the information, some research on the market, and also we're going to do the exact same thing for Hygge, Coffe and Co. And I'm going to see you again when we are ready to go into Adobe XD. Alright, we are entering part 2 of this process. This is all about Adobe XD. I have my Adobe Illustrator open and I've made my library with the colors, my color system, pattern, and those images. And I also have my folder, Hygge and Co, where I have my mockups that we've made in the previous video and the mood board, the sketch, and all of that. So we're going to use all of that. So now I'm going to go into Adobe XD and I'm going to do web 1920 by 1080, and now we have our first board. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Let's go back to my Notion and here it says outboard size 1920 by 1080 for presentation and 1376 by 1080 for thumbnail. So we're going to go on the side here and we're going to do a new outboard that is going to be 1376 wide, that was Miko, and 1080 high. So what I like to do for the first presentation is putting the title of the brand. So here's what I've done for my other project. For Dog Play Dress Up, I did a GIF, Dog Play Dress Up. And for Sunny Typhon, I made a little bit of mockups and the name of the company again. So let me show you how I make this seamless. First, I'm gonna go into my outboard, going to click on this one. I'm gonna hold Option and I'm gonna drag another outboard just underneath it. And so the first one, I thought we could have a background color. Let's go into HCC and let's use this deep color because into our GIF, this is the same color. So I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this and I'm going to add it to my XD. We are going to use that GIF as our second slide and I'm going to keep going like this. And so our first one, I'm just going to use you guys, our project is complete in Adobe XD. So now we are just going to make the thumbnail. And for the thumbnail, I want it to be kind of attractive. So I'm gonna use one of the mockups we made. We love that. So now we have everything we need. We've got 15. Perfect. That's amazing. So now let's go into Behance and start creating our project. And into our profile, we are going to share our work and we're gonna do project. Before I'm putting anything there, I'm going to go into my artboard and I'm going to rename them. Okay, awesome. So now we can get started. So we're going to add images and we're going to start with our first artboard. Open. And now we're going to add a second one and that's going to be a GIF. So we're gonna do video and audio. Alright guys, my GIF was too big. I had to convert the GIF into an MP4 and I only did video, audio and added my video there. So now I have to wait that it's showing up on the project. So we're gonna keep going. So after that, going back to image and we're going to take the third one and we don't want any spaces in between the image, in between our files. So we're going to go into style and you're going to do content spacing 0 and we're going to leave it white, that's fine, and you can save. So now when our video is going to show up, it will fill everything up over here and we can just keep going with some more images and we're going to do this until the project is complete. Alright, and this is our entire project. Still waiting for my video. So now what we're gonna do is go into settings and we're going to name our project. So we're gonna change our cover, obviously, edit cover. Yeah, that's perfect, crop. And now we're going to give our project a name. And now we're going to add some tag. And so tool we use are Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and Fresco. And we did graphic design, branding, publish. Yay! And this is how we're publishing our work. Oh, is our video working? Ooh, our video is working. So you guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will come up with a new project to work on together. It was really fun to do this branding from A to Z series. Hope those series of video has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.